Right, we are moving to the Dun & Bradstreet Corporate Awards 2024. For more than a decade, the Dun & Bradstreet Corporate Awards has been commemorating the outstanding performers amongst Indian corporates. And this year, continuing the legacy, the awards will be presented across 52 sectors to felicitate value creators in each sector. Choosing the winners from a strong pool of contenders wasn't Winners were selected based on both market value creation and intrinsic value created by these companies. Now, with that brief overview of the award, let's not keep any of you waiting any longer, and let's kick off with the award ceremony. Can we please begin this award ceremony with a big, big round of applause to start off with? I'd also like to extend my gratitude to our jury members for the commendable efforts. Our esteemed jury includes Mr. Shailesh Haribhakti, Chairman of Shailesh Haribhakti and Associates, Mr. Hitesh Sethi, Senior Director, Analytics and Business Advisory, Dun & Bradstreet, India, Mr. Vipul Oberoi, Director, Marketing, CSR and Learning Solutions, Dun & Bradstreet, India. This was a little bit about the awards, and now without much further ado, let's raise the curtains on the awards. To give away the first set of awards, may I please invite on stage Mr. Avinash Gupta, MD and CEO of Dun & Bradstreet. CR Technologies Limited. Mr. Deepak, requesting you to kindly join us back. All right, I hope everyone is... The first category is for oil and gas exploration, and the award goes to Oil and Singh, ED, Chief Corporate Planning, Mr. Mahendra Pal Singh Tomar, General Manager Corporate Planning, and Sri Ravi Shankar, ED, B&S Asa to kindly join. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big, big round of applause for the winners? Our next category is for gas processing, transmission and marketing, and the award goes to Adani Total Gas Limited. May I please request Mr. Parag Parekh, Chief Financial Officer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. The next category is healthcare, and the winner in this category is Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. Congratulations. May I please request Mr. Arunesh Punitha. The next category would be FIs, NBFCs and financial services, and the award goes to Bajaj Finance Limited. May I please request Mr. Jayant Kothare, Deputy Treasurer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. We're filled with a room full of corporate delegates back here. May I request everyone to kindly encourage the winners that join us on stage with a big, big round of applause. The next category is for oil refining and marketing, and the award goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. I request Ms. V. Srividya, Executive Director, Corporate Treasury, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Congratulations. Our next category is for transport and logistics, and the award goes to Blue Dart Express Limited. And may I request Mr. Manuel Balfour, Managing Director, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Our next category is for wood and wood products, and the winner that we have in this category is Century Plyboards India Limited. May I request Mr. Praveen Nair, General Manager Sales, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. To win the Value Creators Award. Congratulations once again. The next category is for glass and ceramics, and the winner that we have in this category is Sira Sanitary Ware Limited. And may I request Miss Pooja Patel, BDM, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Thank you so much, Mr. Deepak Singh, for doing the honors. May I request you to kindly take a seat. And may I now request Mr. Vishal Gupta, Senior Director, JLL, to kindly join us on stage for the next set of awards. Is Coro Mandel International Limited. And may I request Mr. Madhab Adhikari, Vice President and Head Sales and Marketing. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause? These are the Corporate Awards 2024. Absolutely prestigious, and big congratulations to the companies winning these awards. The next category is for batteries, and the winner that we have is Exide Industries Limited. We request Mr. Uttiyo Majumdar, Chief Marketing Officer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Congratulations to the wonderful companies. The next category that we have is packaging and allied activities, and the award goes to Garware High Tech Films Limited. May I request Mr. Deepak Joshi, Director, Sales and Marketing, and Praveen Pillai, Global Marketing Head, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. The next category that we have is defense, and the award that we have in this category goes to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. May I request Mr. Gopal Sutar, Chief of Media Communications, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of the company. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. We move on to the next category of awards, which is FMCG, and the award goes to Hindustan Foods Limited. May I please request Mr. Sunil Palkat, Chief Operating Officer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of the company. And let's welcome Mr. Sunil with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is banks, and the winner in this category is ICICI Bank Limited. May I request Ms. Bhuvi Gupta, Head of Internal Communications, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of her bank. Can we please have a bit of energy and enthusiasm in the room, everyone? Congratulations. The next category that we have is Telecom Equipment and Infra Services, and the award goes to Indus Towers Limited. May I please request Mr. Sheshadri, Circle Chief Executive Officer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Congratulations. Thank you so much, and thank you, Vishal, for doing the honors as well. May I request you to kindly take a seat? And may I please request Mr. Daniel Kashet, Chief Alliance Officer, 63 SATS, to kindly join us on stage for the next set of categories that we have. Very good evening to you, Daniel. Hope you're well. And the category that we have is Diversified, and the award winner that we have is ITC Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. JP Rao, General Manager, Industry Affairs. And let's welcome them with a big, big round of applause, everyone. I feel as we're nearing towards the end of the awards, the energy and the enthusiasm is actually increasing, which I absolutely love. Please keep them going. We've just got a few more awards to go. Thank you so much. The next category that we have is for cement, and the winner that we have in this category is JK Cement Limited. May I please request Mr. Kedar, Cluster Head South, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of JK Cement Limited. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the category of automobiles, and the winner that we have in this category is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. And please put your hands together, a warm, warm round of applause for Mr. Amar Jyoti Barua, President and CFO, Mahindra Group. Hearty congratulations. We move on to the next category, which is agrochemicals, and the winner that we have in this category, everyone, is PI Industries Limited. May I please request Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, Group Chief Financial Officer, and Mr. Girish Kulai, Head of Strategy, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of PI Industries Limited. Can we have a big round of applause for our wonderful winners this evening? The next category that we have is bearings, and the winner that we have in this category is Schaeffler India Limited. May I please request Mr. Arvind Singh, VP of Vehicle Lifetime Solutions, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big, big round of applause and have some energy in this room? Thank you so much, Daniel, for doing the honors as well. Thank you. May I request Mr. Vipul Oberoi to kindly join us on stage, along with Mr. Mukesh Kumar Jain as well, both from the team of Dun & Bradstreet. Please join us on stage for the final set of awards that we have. All right, we move on to the next category, which is petrochemical and polymers. And the winner that we have in this category is Supreme Petrochem Limited. We request Mr. V.T. Nandakumar, Chief Executive Officer, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. And ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big, big, big round of applause for Supreme Petrochem Limited. It's absolutely fantastic. winning the Value Creators 2024 award. Love the energy coming in from the console area. It's absolutely fantastic. I wish we could have more energy back here. We move on to the next category, which is travel, tourism, and hospitality. And the winner that we have in this category is the Indian Hotels Company Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Parveen Chandar Kumar, Executive Vice President, Commercial. Congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your hands applauding as we announce the next category, which is for retail. And the winner that we have in this category is Trent Limited. May I please request Mr. Shailesh Solkar, Head of Merchandising and Supply Chain, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of your company, Trent Limited. Congratulations. We move on to the next category, which is automobile 2 and 3 wheelers, and the winner in this category is TVS Motor Company Limited. May I please request Mr. Pallab Roy, lead corporate brand, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Hearty congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the energy going. We've got the last 2 awards left of this evening. The next category is for mining, metals and minerals, and the winner that we have in this category, everyone, is Vedanta Limited. May I please request Mr. Ajay Agarwal, Group President, Finance and Taxation, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award. Congratulations. And on to the final award this evening. The category is for construction infrastructure development, and the winner that we have in this category is Vari Renewable Technologies Limited. Hearty congratulations, and may request Mr. Ajay Mishra, VP of Marketing, to kindly join us on stage to collect the award on behalf of this company.
I've been running fast, trying to find.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have a big round of applause for all of our winners, the companies, the teams behind it that have worked tirelessly and made this possible. Thank you so much to our dignitaries from Dun & Bradstreet for doing the honors. Thank you so much.
The sound you hear.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of what was truly an exciting and insightful event. It has just been such a rewarding experience. I'm sure the awards and the incredible winners will inspire many of us and serve as a beacon for the next generation. As they say, all good things must come to an end, and so does today's summit. We extend our deepest gratitude to our distinguished guests and speakers. Their participation and their insights they've shared were truly invaluable. We also extend our thanks to our partners for India's Top 500 Value Creators 2024. Our title partners, G7CR Technologies, our presenting partners, JLL India, 63 SATS, and Union Bank of India. Co-partners, Zoho, Rustomjee, Quest Corp Limited, life insurance partner, LIC, branding partner, G9 Company, NMDC Limited, and all of our esteemed publication partners. Can we please have a big, big round of applause, everyone? Before I leave you, I encourage all of you all to please connect and explore the stores that we have. The products and the services might help your company become amongst the top 500 value creators in the future. And do not forget to share your experiences on social media. And while you're doing that, do not forget to use the hashtag #top500, #value creators. A heartfelt thank you to all of our viewers. You have been absolutely fantastic, and your participation has made this event a huge success. Now, may I request each and every one of you all to kindly join us in the dining area where cocktails and dinner are being served, and it's a great chance to relax and enjoy the rest of the evening ahead. It's been an absolute pleasure being your host for this enriching event. This is Melita, your host, signing off until we meet again. Thank you so much. Thank you.